King Julien! Your Majesty!
King Julien will be fine.
Mort?
Sorry for startling you. As you know, coffee's effects vary. In my case, it made me incredibly intelligent and gave me a smashing accent.
Okay, Maurice. You've convinced me. Coffee must be stopped.
If coffee is what King Julien needs, then we have a problem. The kingdom is officially out!
What? Oh, why do I have a splitting headache?
That's from lack of coffee. It's depleting your cerebral blood flow. Your brain is drying out.
I can't run a kingdom with a dried brain. I need more coffee. How can we be out of brown, Julien?
Your Majesty, please keep it down before...
Out of brown, Julien? They're trying to keep the god juice for themselves! I say tear the kingdom apart!
Wake up, Africa! It's Valentine's Day!
Join all your favorite characters.
I'm a king without a kingdom. Is anybody even listening to me up there? Ow! It's a message from the gods. I will be known as the king of love.
In the all-new hilarious Madagascar adventure everyone's falling in love with.
I will make you irresistible.
Come on! It's a dude!
Drama.
This ocean is making everybody crazy!
Or are you crazy not to try it?
Get ready for the most irresistible,
Hi there.
She spoke to me!
Call me.
funniest,
What is that smell?
Alex! The lion!
You freak!
completely revealing
Oh, King Julien!
Madagascar adventure yet.
Ow! Yes!